Hi, this is Mark Tucker from Intelligent Energy Auditing Systems, and this week's tip is indoor air quality. Indoor air quality plays a major part in home contaminants and home health. One of the things we want to try to do is make sure we educate the homeowner when we come out on what indoor air quality is and how it affects the home. We'll come out and we will clean your ductwork, test for mold, test for dust contaminants, odors, and what we use to do that is our Zefron Air Indoor Quality Test Kit. And I'm going to show you today how we come out and do that. Now the homeowner has called us and we're going to come out and test. One of the first things we do is calibrate our system outside in the fresh air. And then we come inside and set it up in the area to be tested. The first thing you want to do is take off the tab from the cassette. The side of the hole, round hole, goes on test tube, and we pull off our testing side, and it just kind of dangles there. We have our tripod, we have our test tube, and then we have our pump. The pump should be calibrated to 15 liters per minute. If it's too low, that's bad. If it's too high, that's bad. Your sample can literally get sucked in and bounce right out. So now, after you calibrate, if it's a clean air environment, no visible dust, you let it run for 10 minutes or so. If it's an indoor situation, it's going to be 5 minutes. If it's a renovation or remediation, very heavy activity, visible dust, sheetrock dust, lead dust, then you're going to let it run for 1 minute. So let's do that. And you can see my calibration is right at 15 liters per minute. So we take our sample, and in the meantime, while this is running, talk to the homeowner, set up your other tests, take swabs from visible sites. Let's say we ran our test. Now you're going to turn off your compressor, replace the tab, take off that, replace the tab here. This goes in the provided container and shipped off to the lab to receive your report. Now, one of the other things I said we would do is we clean ductwork and we make sure it's disinfected. We clean the vents, supply, return. We have a machine that goes into the system, all the dust. We also do dryer vent cleaning for indoor air quality. We also do the dryer hard pipe that goes from the back of the dryer all the way to the outside, and we'll come and clean that out. That reduces drying time, saves energy because your dryer doesn't have to work as hard. Changing the filters in your HVAC system means your system doesn't work as hard. Any dust in the system can cause any number of contaminants to be pushed through the ductwork, and since it's essentially a system that flows around your house, everybody breathes in those contaminants. Some of the other things we test for would be methamphetamine, lead and paint dust, and it's important that when you call us, we also work in conjunction with a certified lead dust specialist, and we will also come and test for marijuana smoke contaminants. And this is just a few. We pretty much do everything across the board. We'll come in and test for several different contaminants, whether it be in an office or home, new renovation, whether it's a home that's been vandalized or damaged. Give us a call. We'll come out, discuss the situation with you, sit down, and let you know exactly what you're facing and how we're going to remediate those situations. I'm Mark Tucker from Intelligent Energy Auditing. We can be reached at 609-431-0438 Our website is www.intelligentenergyauditing.com. We can be emailed at save@intelligentenergyauditing.com. We're on Twitter, Facebook, Read It, Tumblr, and Pinterest. And I'll see you next week. I'm the Green Energy Guy with your Iron Energy.